Many of you wondering, how does this affect me or the women around me?
Well, it turns out the ruling from the Supreme Court is more than just a decision for one state. Brandy Smith explains why.
Why could a ruling from the Supreme Court on a Mississippi law almost immediately outlaw all abortions in Texas? The Supreme Court heard arguments on a Mississippi law that makes most abortions illegal after 15 weeks of pregnancy. That law contradicts previous court decisions, including Roe v. Wade, that established a woman has a constitutional right to abortion up to viability. That's around 24 weeks of pregnancy. The Mississippi law was written knowing it violated Roe v. Wade in the hopes it would bring the issue before the Supreme Court again. A decision from the court isn't expected for months, but if the conservative majority overturns Roe v. Wade, that could trigger a law here in Texas. Back in June, Governor Abbott signed a law that would almost immediately outlaw abortions in Texas if a court ruling paved the way for the move. The so-called trigger law would take effect 30 days after the high court's ruling, punishing Texas doctors who perform abortions with life in prison or a $100,000 fine. All of this is separate from the other abortion law recently enacted in Texas. The Supreme Court is also considering Senate Bill 8, which banned most abortions after 6 weeks. Those arguments focus more on the unusual way the law was written, allowing private citizens, not the state, to enforce the ban. With The Why, I'm Brandy Smith.